what will happen if we fire a Sherman round straight through him. That's a Sherman tank, 1944. I'm betting it goes through 6 and does not hit the 7th. And we are sighted in, ready to fire. 76 millimeter solid steel round, right? Yep. Firing! 3, 2, 1! This was our number 1 right here, and then this is our number 2, so this one all the way through. This thing is just tumbling by this point. This is number 3. Number 4 looks like it's completely the opposite direction here on number 5. Number 6 right here dented it very badly and bounced down on the ground